Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a sponsored video by HelloFresh to bring you a cook and clean style video for you guys. So a little bit about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a meal subscription service that delivers fresh, simple, and delicious ingredients to your front door so you can make these amazing meals for you and your family. The thing I like about HelloFresh the most is that the meals can be ready in 30 minutes. This is great for my household because my husband and I work full-time jobs during the week, and when we get home pretty late, we have to think of something to cook, take it out of the freezer, thaw it out, cook it, and by the time we eat it, it is so late and it's not healthy and it leaves no time for us to do anything. So having a meal that is already planned and ready to go is so convenient for us. We get more time to spend together, we get more time to do things around the house, and just more time for ourselves. And I don't have to worry about wasting so much time in the kitchen. Another great thing about HelloFresh is that their menu is ever changing. If you're like me and you struggle to find something to fix every night because you're tired of having the same thing over and over and over again, HelloFresh is great. It takes the worry and stress out of meal planning, trying to figure out what to eat, and it keeps it exciting every single week. If HelloFresh is something that you're interested in trying, just go to HelloFresh.com and sign up for their subscription service and use this promo code right here for up to 50% off your first week of meals. So when you open up your HelloFresh box, you're going to find a little welcome envelope and then your recipe cards for all the meals that you've chosen for your order. In my box, I have received the Shake It Up pork cutlets with garlic bread and an apple and sunflower seed salad. The next one I got was the balsamic fig chicken with sweet potatoes and mixed greens. And lastly, the little ears pasta with Italian pork sausage, broccoli, and pesto. And then you're also going to find a card with all the nutritional information for each of the meals that you got. And each meal is packaged separately in its own bag to keep everything organized and simple. This just reduces stress because you don't have to worry about separating all the ingredients for the recipes. You can just go in your fridge, grab your meal, grab your recipe card, and start cooking. Then at the bottom of the box, you're going to find all your packaged meats, which are placed closest to the freezer pack. This is just going to keep your meats extra cold. And as always, your HelloFresh order will always be packaged in an insulated cardboard box with a freezer pack at the bottom. This is going to keep your food fresh and cold, so you don't ever have to worry about your food spoiling. For tonight, I chose to cook the little ears pasta with Italian pork sausage, broccoli, and pesto. I am a huge pasta lover, so I cannot wait to try this recipe. And also, the recipe cards are going to show you what you're going to need to cook for the recipe, like what kind of pots and pans and oil and strainers, that sort of thing. And it also has these super easy step-by-step instructions on the back that you're going to follow. As you can see, everything for this recipe I've chosen to cook tonight, it's all packaged in one bag and all the ingredients are pre-measured. Y'all, this was by far one of the best services I have ever used. I am so satisfied. It was so easy and the food is just absolutely amazing. Visit HelloFresh.com and just give it a try for yourself. And don't forget to put in my promo code KellyMarie30. You can get up to 50% off your first week of meals. With the customizable delivery service and ever-changing amazing recipes, I just know you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.